So here we are, traders, trading the Trading123 TrendLIne Indicator with the ES. We got the Rankle bars on here, and the TrendLIne Indicator, which is this red and blue line indicator that identifies the trend. You got your blue arrows for uptrend, red arrows for downtrend, and then you got your trend marker over here that identifies what the overall trend is, and it says we're in a downtrend right now. And then your blue dot here is a reversal dot. This is a breakout dot, and the price goes up above the plus 60 line over this green line. Should be looking for a pullback, and a yellow dot is indicating a short. And then patterns just repeat. This makes a lower low here, so this green dot is a long, and then this price runs up, and usually you exit on the second red dot. And then yellow dot is a short, so we'll get short right here.
Filled.
See if we can get $200 profit here. A little late to the party, as the market, as the trend line is way down here, oversold or overbought. When it gets down to negative, so we got $125, $150 profit. Looks like it's support right here at this 474. Market not totally weak. So we'll look to get out right here with $200 profit, because we're not weak yet.
Target filled.
So we hit our first target. We'll tighten up our stop a little more. Ooh, I should have left it there. Damn it. Always want more. You always want more, but we'll get out at the 7.3 area. So that's
filled.
125, and look, it went down to 72. So that's over $200 profit using the trend line, and I got in late. So that's how the indicator works. Now we may get a reversal here, and then I'll go long. So we'll wait for a blue arrow. As the market is trending up. So you have to have your finger on the trigger and be ready to go. So as you say, the indicator works perfectly fine, and the only reason you would have trouble using this indicator if your computer didn't meet the requirements of the NinjaTrader
Order filled.
8 requirements. And here we just got long. So let's see what happens. Market not going the right way here. So the overall trend is up. We're just going sideways right here after the market hit the high. So it's trying to go. We'll lower our profit targets here to 7.5, and this is just a random ATM strategy we have set up. So if you don't know how to use an ATM strategy, go to Google Help Index under the control panel, and they got a guide. So we just hit our first profit target. We'll tighten our stop up a little and see if ES ramps up here. So we had about $100 profit on that one. There's our $200 profit. Market should get a pop here. I'll just get out at 78 because it could do one of these things and go lower. In fact, I'll just get out.
Target filled.
There we go. So what it might do here is one of these things. We got our down move. These stupid drawing tools. Then our up move. And then we may get our plunge this way. So if we get a red arrow, I'll go short. So that's usually the pattern that happens as we stalled out here. And then we can even add another contract if we want, but now it's trying to push up. Still think it may do this pattern. So as you see, the indicator is working fine. Plotting the red dots, blue dots. Again, if it's not working on your computer, it's your graphics card. So I added another contract to this, and we get a sell here. I'll go short.
Order filled.
So there's a red arrow, and we'll hit our first profit target. We got 187, 150, 75 quarter. I should have got out here.
Target filled.
So we got out there at 73.75. I need one more big bar here. Bring our stop down.
Order target filled.
And there we go, some more profit. Now we'll move the stop just to break even. And there's the cash register ringing. Patterns repeat. I think this will go down and find support right around the 70 level because it lines up with over here.
Order filled.
And we'll get out at 71.
Order
Bring our
filled.
stop down. Come on.
Target
There we
filled.
go. And that's the way it's done. I predicted the pattern before it happened. How do you like that? So there was 3 live trades right there with the trend line indicator. So the reason why I got out here, because as you see it's getting a bounce right here after this previous support. So previous support is always comes into play, and basically that's where we got out. So that's the power of the Trading123 trend line. We made 3 trades in a row over I think $500–600 in profit, and going into noon and we're done trading. So I hope you enjoyed the video on the Trading123 trend line. As you see, plots the levels for you, plots the reversals on the red and blue triangles, and the wrinkle bars are included with it with a full manual on how to use it. And I showed you 3 trades in a row, all winners, and basically that's how the indicator works. And so we're still in a downtrend, but regardless, I exited where I thought support was, but the market had just ramped up. As you see, it made, you know, a high here, pull back, and then a high, sold off, little bounce, and then the flush. I call this the flush move. You got your sell-off, little bounce, no more buyers, and flush. So learn to trade the flush move. So that's the Trading123 trend line. Go long on the blue dots, go short on the red dots, and that's an explanation of how it works. Trading the ES here on March 2nd, 2022. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video. And also subscribe to our Trading123 YouTube and social media pages like Twitter and Facebook.